Good afternoon, this is Mark with Southwest Florida Auto. Today I'm going to be showing you a 2012 Dodge Caravan with only 188,000 original miles. As you can see, this vehicle is in pretty good shape. You do have some scuffing here in the paint. You got a little blemish right here. You got a little blemish right to the door there, but overall everything else looks pretty clean, as I can see. It does ride really nicely. Whoever had it definitely took care of it on the inside. Yeah, it looks like they just didn't know where to park. There's another blemish right there. Alright, what I'm going to do now is show you the interior of the vehicle. First, we're going to walk from the trunk. I'm going to show you the trunk, and then I'll walk your way to the front of the vehicle. So you can see your third row seating is back here. And these do fold into the floor. That's why I left one of them like that. So let me go ahead and close that for us. Let me go ahead and start the vehicle up, actually. Alright, she starts right up. Let me go ahead and open these side doors for you so you can take a look at the interior. And both of the side doors do open. The headliner's in great shape, as you can see. Let me go ahead and close these, and we're going on a little short test drive. Go ahead, and the way you close the doors are like that. The trunk does the same thing. Dashboard's in nice, great shape. It's closing the doors. It says one of our tires is a little low, but that's normal. Well, it goes from cold to hot every freaking day. Tires are getting confused. Alright, let's go ahead and go on this test drive here. First, what we're going to do is make a U-turn in our parking lot here. We are in gravel, so that's the reason why. I like to test drive this vehicle in gravel just because you can hear a lot of different noises. So let me turn this AC down a little bit. You know, it feels like we're going off-roading a little, which is not a bad thing. There's no clunks. The suspension's actually in great shape. So let's speed it up just a little bit, and then let's go and see how she drives. Oh, wow. Honestly, it's pretty nice. I did hit a little tree branch there. Alright. So far, this guy doesn't know how to drive because he looks like he's gonna freaking run people over. Jeez. The way people drive in Florida, that's probably why. Alright, so far, everything's actually in really nice shape. Yeah. Runs and drives great. She's nice and quiet. Shifts, nice cold AC. No shaking, no. She's in great shape. Alright, well, again, my name is Mark with Southwest Florida Auto. If you have any questions or like to schedule a test drive with this vehicle, please give me a call. You can reach me at 239-690-3123. That phone number one more time is 239-690-3123. Thank you so much, and I hope you enjoyed my video.